up some. My childhood dream is coming true. Right there in the palm of my hand. Hi! Nice fresh wood choppings from a woodpecker. I can still smell the fresh wood from way up here. Oh, still going. Let's see if I can see them. There's the holes. There was something living in there once. See little pine cones. A little home for some critter. Beautiful day, sun shining. Let's go for a hike. Hey guys, yeah, it's a little cold out here, but the sun is nice and the hike is nice. Yeah, so I'm just taking a little trail that I see that ventures off into the woods a little more, off the beaten path. Off the beaten path. Yeah, the snow's pretty deep. See my footprints there. And pretty deep. I brought my snowshoes, but I didn't think I needed them. The path was pretty good, but I'm venturing off the path. Hi guys, well, nice little spot here. The sun is shining right on me. It's beautiful. The only thing that's cold is my toes, just a little bit, and I'm gonna open up my little toe warmers that I have. You put them in your boots. It's almost like the hand warmers. You just crimple them up and rub them in your hands and get them warmed up and then put them in your boots. They're nice and flat. So yeah, I'm gonna do that in a little bit. But first, I'm going to have me a cold one. So here there's a new one I picked out at the liquor store. It's called Royal City Brewing Company, and it's Remembrance Red Ale. It's actually a beer for Remembrance Day. And on the back it says Remembrance Red Traditional Irish Red Ale. 50 cents from every can will be donated to the Wounded Warriors of Canada. Share with friends and family. Welcome to Royal City. Visit us in Guelph, Ontario. So yeah, let's try this beer. So I don't like drinking out of a can, so I always bring my solo cup. Ah, yes, I love that sound. As can opening. Let's try this. Well, it's nice and red. It smells very good. Very good. Yeah, it's nice tasting. Nice tasting beer. Refreshing. I'll just put that in the snow and it'll get a little colder. So yeah, so it takes a little while to get things prepared for a fire. You have different piles that you have to have ready to put on the fire and stoke it so it doesn't go out on you. Especially in the wintertime, it's a little colder, everything's wet, so it needs a little time to get things prepared. So a piece of birch that I found worked out good. Just put my wool blanket on and set up a little bench so I'm not on the cold ground. So you can see all my piles here. Over here I have my twigs, like smaller twigs. Then it goes up to, like pencil size. Then here's my pile over here with the bigger stuff that I'll stoke the fire. So yeah, I just found some birch bark, good and dry. You can hear it crackling. It's good and dry. Yep. So let me put that up just a little more so you can see. Yeah, there we go. All right. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna try my fire steel today. I think I'll just use the old lighter. On my way in, I grabbed some dry grass. Some dry grass in my pocket, staying warm. Yeah, here I'll throw a cup of drying. That's good and dry. That will start, no problem. There we go. Stir that up. This nice dried bark on it. As you see, I have a platform with some other wood for the base. You don't want it right on the stove, right on the snow. It'll put your fire out. So yeah. My twigs here we got. You just want to load it up before it goes out, you know? Once you hear that crackling, that's a good sound. So yeah, it's just starting it off little by little, just with twigs at first. Feed your fire. Yeah, I'm not gonna have too big of a fire, just a little one to warm up. It's minus 14 up there today. There we go. You can work your way up to your pencil size twigs. Ooh, gonna be a good lunch. Yeah, I picked up some little stir-fry beef, it's called. Not very expensive, $3 for the little beef that I got. You know, some woods are different than others. The wood is different. I've learned that with coming out a lot. Some's hardwood, some's softwood, like there's not good burning wood. This is a good spot that has lots of dead trees. Woods is a beautiful thing, so never take it for granted. I live in the city and, you know, it's just so beautiful to be able to come out here and enjoy this, you know, so protect it. Take care of the woods, and, you know, I'm starting a fire out here today, but I'm going to make sure it's fully out. I got my canister of water, cover it up with snow, you know, really, yeah, you know, blah, blah, blah. See, it's nice to have that base down because it lets air in. My trusty little pan that I bought for $4, Salvation Army. Oil in there to cook up my meat. See how hot that's gonna get. Picked up some strip loin steak. It is called fast fry. Inside round steak for fast frying. So put it on and then I'll cut it up later. Get that pan oiled up there. Oh yeah, sizzle, sizzle. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a few more twigs on there, just to keep that fire going. I don't want it going out, so I'm gonna put some twigs on. Right back. You gotta feed the fire from the bottom sometimes. It's nice to keep your wood all around, and then it just dries it out as you go. Steak's good and cooked. I'm gonna put my vegetables on. I got some onions and some red pepper. Yeah. A little bit of oil. Man, that pan is good and hot. I almost got to take it off. It's so hot. Yeah. Things are hot. My vegetables are cooking just on their own in that cast iron frying pan. And bread on my little handy dandy grill. We're gonna put this on and warm up some naan. A trusty little rack that I got at Salvation Army. This Salvation Army, $2. That's what that I love my Salvation Army. And Value Village, St. Vincent, all those ones. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yep, so that's getting toasted up there. Back on now that I'm gonna eat. Warm it up just a tad. Ooh, I got smoked out. Oh, there we go. Just warm that up a little bit while I'm getting everything else ready. Okay, I got some cheese, salsa, and some sour cream. Ooh, going good. Ooh. Good, good. Oh, and lettuce. Holy, I brought everything for this little trippy trip. Nice beef there. Nice little slices. All right, banana bread. Put my meat on. Veggies. Little cheese. Salsa with a little hot pepper. Oh yeah. That on there. Sour cream. And the top. I'm not putting any lettuce on this. I'm gonna go with no healthy on this one. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Oh. Let's taste this up. Wow. Good stuff cooking in the woods. I want to show you guys that it's so easy just to get some gear that, you know, inexpensive gear. Let me know your comments. Yeah, we'll keep this going. My little ventures out in the woods, cooking, doing a few things. Thanks, guys. Cheers.